Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Gaming Extreme by 12G graphics card. So friend, MSI has introduced two new graphics card products, the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Gaming Extreme by 12G and the GeForce RTX 3060 Ti VENTUS 2X 8G DCX OC for the retail market. And friends, the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Gaming Extreme White 12G features a white cooler cover, fan blade and back plate, and the triple fan cooler composed of TORX FAN 5.0 core pipe and air antegrade fin with V-shaped notch, and it uses high quality parts such as high efficiency carbonyl inductors and DrMOS for the power supply circuit, and it has 7680 CUDA cores, push clock of 2745 MHz, memory speed of 21 Gbps, memory burst width of 192 bit, and video memory GDDR6X 12G. And friend, the estimated market price is $1180 USD. And friend, the GeForce RTX 3060 Ti VENTUS 2X 8G DGX OC features high-speed GDDR6X for video memory and a dual fan cooler composed of TORX FAN 3.0, and it has 4864 quad cores, boost clock of 1695 MHz, memory speed of 19 Gbps, memory bus width of 256 bits, and video memory GDDR6X 8GB. Both graphics cards are available for immediate sale. And friend, the estimated market price is $520 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.